Join me as I dive into the future of ASST Stock and try to predict what's next for this investment. ASST Stock has been making waves in the investment community lately, with many investors scrambling to get in on the action. But what's behind the hype? Simply put, ASST Stock has shown tremendous growth potential, with its innovative approach to the industry capturing the attention of many. This sudden surge in interest has led to a flurry of questions about the stock's future prospects. ASST Stock is currently facing some tough challenges, including market volatility that's been affecting the entire industry. The stock's value has been swinging wildly, making it tough for investors to predict its next move. Adding to the uncertainty is the intense competition in the sector, with several established players vying for market share. This competition is pushing ASST Stock to innovate and adapt quickly, which can be both a blessing and a curse. The company needs to stay ahead of the curve to remain relevant, but this rapid evolution also brings risks. The market volatility is a major concern, with some experts warning that it could have a lasting impact on ASST Stock's value. The competition is also heating up, with new entrants emerging and established players expanding their offerings. ASST Stock needs to differentiate itself to stand out in a crowded field, but this won't be easy. The company's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial in determining its future success. ASST Stock's recent performance has been a mixed bag, with some impressive gains offset by significant losses. This unpredictability is a hallmark of the current market, and investors need to be prepared for anything. By understanding the challenges facing ASST Stock, investors can make more informed decisions about their investments. Several factors are influencing ASST Stock's trajectory, including recent news about the company's product developments. The market trends are also playing a role, with the industry as a whole experiencing a shift towards more sustainable and innovative solutions. Expert opinions are varied, with some analysts predicting a bright future for ASST Stock, while others are more cautious. The company's management team is also a key factor, with their track record and vision for the future being closely watched by investors. The recent news about ASST Stock's product developments has been largely positive, with many experts impressed by the company's innovation. However, some have raised concerns about the company's financials, citing high operating costs and significant debt. The market trends are also worth watching, with the industry as a whole experiencing significant changes. By understanding these factors, investors can gain a better sense of ASST Stock's potential. The expert opinions on ASST Stock are varied, reflecting the uncertainty surrounding the stock. Some analysts believe the company has tremendous growth potential, while others are more skeptical. The company's management team is also under scrutiny, with investors closely watching their every move. By considering these different perspectives, investors can make a more informed decision. The factors influencing ASST Stock's trajectory are complex and multifaceted, requiring a deep understanding of the industry and the company. The recent news, market trends, and expert opinions all paint a nuanced picture, with both positives and negatives. By analyzing these factors, investors can gain a better understanding of ASST Stock's potential. In my analysis, the most critical insight regarding ASST Stock's future prospects is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. The company's innovative approach has served it well so far, but it needs to continue to evolve to stay ahead. The competition is fierce, and ASST Stock needs to differentiate itself to stand out. If it can do this, the potential for growth is significant. ASST Stock's ability to innovate and adapt will be crucial in determining its future success. The company's management team needs to navigate the challenges ahead, making tough decisions to ensure the company's survival. The market trends and expert opinions all point to a complex and uncertain future, but one thing is clear: ASST Stock has tremendous potential. The company's financials are also a key factor, with high operating costs and significant debt being major concerns. ASST Stock needs to manage its finances carefully, making smart investments and cutting costs where necessary. By doing so, the company can mitigate risks and maximize its potential. By analyzing ASST Stock's prospects, it becomes clear that the company's future is far from certain. However, with the right strategy and a bit of luck, the potential for growth is significant. Investors need to be aware of the risks and challenges ahead, but also be on the lookout for opportunities. To sum it up, ASST Stock is at a crossroads, with several possible outcomes. The company needs to navigate market volatility, intense competition, and changing market trends. However, with its innovative approach and potential for growth, ASST Stock remains an attractive investment opportunity. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on ASST Stock. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more investment insights and analysis.